Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we are going to study addition and subtraction of integers. First, we will see what are integers. The integers are the numbers that appear on the number line. On the right side, we have got +1, +2, +3 and goes on. On the left side, we have got -1, -2, -3 and it goes on towards left side. 0 is in the middle. The numbers on the right side are called as positive integers. Positive integers. The numbers on the left side are called as negative integers. On the right side we have got positive integers, on the left side we have got negative integers. Now we will see how to add and subtract the integers. Suppose I write 7 and there is no sign appearing in front of 7. It means +7. It is when no sign appears in front of a number, that is plus. Normally we don't write plus there. It means +7. Or if I write -6, this is a negative number. In this case, the sign doesn't appear. If the sign doesn't appear, it means it is plus. Now, I will write some 4 numbers, 4 sums. +5, +3, -5, -3, -5, +3, +5, -3. I have written 4 sums here. So there are 4 different combinations of signs. In the first case, both are pluses, +5, +3. In the second case, both are minuses, -5, -3. In the third case, the signs are different. In the fourth case also, the signs are different. Now we will see how to solve them. In the first case, both are pluses. Second case, both are minuses. Third case, both are, signs are different. In the fourth also, signs are different. Now we will see in the first case, when both are pluses, add and put plus. So if I add, I'll get 8. I am going to put what sign for 8? Plus sign. No sign means plus. Okay, so when both are pluses, add and put plus. When both are minuses, add and put minus. So I'll get -8. When both are minuses, add and put minus. In the third case, the signs are different. When the signs are different, subtract and put bigger number sign. If I subtract, I will get 2. Among these two numbers, 5 is the bigger number. The sign carried by 5 is minus. So I have to put the bigger number sign. So when the signs are different, subtract and put bigger number sign. Here also the signs are different. We have to subtract and put bigger number sign. So here if I subtract, I'll get 2. 5 is the bigger number. 5 is carrying a plus sign. So I am going to give plus sign for 2. Again repeat, see. When both are pluses, add and put plus. When both are minuses, add and put minus. When the signs are different, subtract and put bigger number sign. Here also signs are different. Subtract and put bigger number sign. Now we will take some examples and learn it. So the first case was when both the signs are plus. Then add and put plus. Add and put plus. So we will take some examples. Plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. So when both are pluses, add and put plus. So I'll get here plus 5. Here I'll get plus 7. I'll get plus 10. I'll get plus 7. So when both the signs are plus, add and put plus. That is the first case. Now we'll go to the second case. When both the signs are minus, then add and put minus. We'll take some examples. Minus 4, minus 2, minus 6, minus 1. Minus 3, minus 6, minus 7, minus 2, 3. Here, when both are minuses, add and put minus. So we'll get minus 6. Here I'll get minus 7. Here I'll get add and put minus. Minus 9. Add and put minus. Minus 10. So when both the signs are minus, add and put minus. In the first case, when both the signs are pluses, add and put plus. Here, when both are minuses, add and put minus. Now we'll see the third case. In the third case, it was when the signs are different, when the signs are different, then subtract and put bigger number sign. Numbers sign. We'll take some examples. -7 plus 2 minus 9 plus 6 plus 4 minus 5 plus 5 minus 9. Plus 7 minus 2 plus 9 minus 1 minus 4 plus 8 minus 3 plus 4. So the third case and the fourth case say that when the signs are different, then subtract and put bigger number sign. So if you subtract, what you're going to get here? 5. So what sign you're going to give for 5? Minus 5. Because 7 is a bigger number. So here, if you subtract, I'll get 3. So minus 3 because bigger number sign. Here also, if I subtract, I'll get 1. So I had put minus because bigger number sign is minus. Here I'll get 4. What sign I'm going to give for 4? Minus 4. Subtract and put bigger number sign. Here I'll get what here? 5. So what sign for 5? Plus 5. If I subtract, I'll get 8. So plus 8 because 9 is the bigger number, it's carrying plus sign. Here I'll get 4. What sign for 4? Plus 4. Here I'll get plus 1. So subtract and put bigger number sign when the signs are different. We'll see some more examples. Minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 plus 1 plus 7 minus 7 plus 4 minus 4. Here also what we should do? Subtract and put bigger number sign. If I subtract, I'll get 0. 0 doesn't carry any sign. If I subtract, I'll get 0. 0 has no sign. If I subtract, I'll get 0. 0 has no sign. Here also I'll get 0. 0 has no sign. So the rule says subtract and put bigger number sign. But here we are getting 0. 0 has got no sign. 0 has no sign. Now we'll see the next case. When all signs are plus, when all signs are plus, then add and put plus. When all signs are plus, then add and put signs. Add and put plus. Suppose I have got so many numbers in a row. Plus 1, plus 3, plus 1, plus 2, plus 4, plus 2, plus 2, plus 3, plus 1. Okay, plus 5. I have got so many numbers in a row, all are carrying plus sign. What I should do? Add and put plus. I will get plus 10. Here I will get how much? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. So I will get here plus 12. When all are pluses, add and put plus. We will see the fifth case. When all the signs are minus, then add and put minus. Add and put minus. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 1. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 3, minus 6. See here, all the numbers are carrying minus sign. What should we do? Add and put minus. I will get minus 8. You will get minus 16. In this case, when all signs are minus, then add and put minus. So add them, add the numbers and put minus. Okay? When all signs are pluses, add and put plus. When all signs are minuses, add and put minus. Now we will see the next case. When there are many numbers in a row and the signs are all mixed up, then how to solve them? When there are many numbers in a row and the signs are mixed up. Signs are mixed up. Then how to solve them? We'll take some examples here. -1 plus 2 minus 9 plus 1 plus 6 plus 4 minus 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 1 plus 6 minus 4 plus 1 plus 5 minus 1 plus 2 minus 3. We will see how to solve them. Here we have got so many numbers in a row and their signs are all mixed up. Some are carrying plus sign, some are carrying minus sign. And how to solve them? It's very simple. First, pick up the plus numbers, add and put plus. Pick up the plus numbers and add and put plus. Here the plus numbers are what? 2, 1 and 6. So we'll get plus 9. So first step is pick up the plus numbers, positive numbers, add and put plus. Next, pick up the minus numbers, add and put minus. Pick up the minus numbers, add and put minus. Here the minus numbers are 9 and 1. So I will get minus 10. The first step is pick up the plus numbers, add and put plus. I got plus 9. Pick up the minus numbers, add and put minus. I got minus 10. Now I have to solve further. Here the signs are different. So we already learnt now, when the signs are different, subtract and put bigger number sign. So if I subtract, I will get 1. And what sign? Minus 1, because 10 is the bigger number. So I am going to give minus sign for 1. Here also pick up the plus numbers, add and put plus. The plus numbers are 4, 5 and 6. So I'll get here plus 15. I'll get here plus 15. The minus numbers are which ones? 2, 3 and 1. So I'll get here minus 6. Now here what I should do here? Subtract and put bigger number sign. I will get plus 9. Subtract and put bigger number sign. First step is what? Pick up the plus numbers, add and put plus. Pick up the minus numbers, add and put minus. Next step, subtract and put bigger number sign. Here also same thing. Pick up the plus numbers 1, 5 and 2. So I'll get plus 8. Then pick up the minus numbers and add and put minus. I'll get minus 8. Pick up the plus numbers, add and put plus. Pick up the minus numbers, add and put minus. So here I should subtract and put bigger number sign. I am getting 0. 0 has got no sign. 0 has no sign. We will take some more examples. -1, -2, plus 7, -3, -4, -3, plus 2, minus 1, minus 6, minus 3. You can see here. So what is the first step? Pick up the plus numbers, add and put minus. In this case, there is only one plus number. So write it as it is. Here there is only one plus number. So then next, pick up the minus numbers, add and put minus. I'll get minus 10. Again, what should I do? Subtract and put bigger number sign. I'll get minus 3. Here see, in this case, there's only one plus number. Write it as it is. Next, pick up the minus numbers, add and put minus. Minus 13. Now subtract and put bigger number sign. Minus 11. In these two cases, there is only one plus number, that is 7. Write it as it is. Then when you solve the minus numbers, minus 10 I'll get. Here also there is only one plus number. You write it as it is. Then solve the minus numbers. Now we'll see few more examples. 1 plus 2 minus 9 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1 minus 10 plus 2 plus 1. What is the first step? Pick up the plus numbers, add and put plus. So here if I add the plus numbers, what I will get? Plus 10. Then in this case, there is only one minus number. Write it as it is. Next I have to subtract and put bigger number sign. So plus 1. Here also pick up the plus numbers, add and put plus. So plus 12. Here there is only one minus number, that is minus 10. So I'll get plus 2. So in this class we have learned how to add and subtract the integers. If you are impressed with this class, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.